Let's get into the video. To make kabuli chana, you can take green or black chana like this. It is dry. Soak it overnight. But today I have sprouted the chanas. If you want to sprout this, take a small piece of white cloth, tie it, keep it for another 1 day, and you'll have the sprouted chana like this. Take these type of vegetables, turnip, beans and brinjal. Now we are going to cut this and boil together. Now I have washed and cut all the vegetables, beans, cut the pieces into big like this. Even the turnip. Don't add brinjal for boiling. Just add all the sprouts together. Add water this much. Then add salt to this. Bring it to boil for about 4 to 5 whistles. If you want to add any other vegetables, you can add carrot, potato, beetroot like that. Carrot and beetroot will go well, but the color may vary. As we boil this, now for grounding masala, take 10 to 11 cloves of garlic and small piece of ginger. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add ginger and garlic to this oil. Add 1 onion. Fry nicely. Now the onions are slightly brown like this. At this stage, add tomato. Saute until the tomatoes are tender. Now the tomatoes are nicely cooked. Add 1 spoon of ghee. And 1 handful of coconut. At this stage, add turmeric powder, coriander powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons, curry masala or sambar masala, 2 tablespoons, add a small quantity of water. And get nice aroma at this stage. Don't burn the ingredients. Switch off the stove at this stage and ground it completely. Add cut brinjal. Stir continuously till the brinjal is tender and soft. Add some boiled vegetable stock and close the lid for about 5 minutes. Now the brinjal is nicely cooked. Add the grounded masala to this. Add all the vegetables. bring this to boil for about 10 minutes. After boiling for about 10 minutes, now tempering has to be done. I am using coconut cooking oil. If you don't like, you can use refined normal oil also. But this will give a nice taste to the curry. When oil heats up, add 2 spoons of mustard, of cumin seeds. Wait till the mustard sprout. Add curry leaves. Add 1 small onion. Once the onion gets brown, turns brown, add all the ingredients to this curry. Now the curry is done completely. Now the chickpeas curry is ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed the video. Try at home and comment below. Please subscribe my channel. Click the like button. Hit on the bell icon to get my upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye. Spread the art of cooking.